Hello student, today we study about convergence of non-negative terms, that is convergence of series. Let u1, u2, u3 up to un be a sequence of real number. Then summation un is equal to u1 plus u2 up to un is called the series of non-negative terms. This is called series of non-negative term. That means all terms are positive. Series for test for convergent series. Test for convergent series. Let un summation n 1 to infinity un is equal to u1 ut through un be any infinite series, and let Sn be a nth partial sum. Sn is equal to s is the finite. Then series is convergent to s if s is equal to infinity. If s is equal to infinity, then the series is divergent. P series test. P series test is summation 1 upon n to the power p, and that is 1 upon 1 to the power p, 1 upon 2 to the power p dash dash up to 1 upon n to the power p is convergent if p is greater than 1 and divergent if p is lesser than or equal to 1. Comparison test. Comparison test if summation n, summation un and summation vn. If summation un and summation vn be two series non-negative term, these two series non-negative, summation vn convergent, then summation un also convergent. Un less than or equal to vn for all n greater than or equal to m. Un upon vn is less than k, finite positive is the value of k. Limit n tending to infinity, un upon vn is equal to k, where k is finite positive, non-zero number. Summation un is divergent, then summation un also divergent. D'Alembert ratio test. Limit n tending to infinity, un plus 1 upon un is less than 1, then series is convergent. Un upon un plus 1 upon un is greater than 1, then series is divergent. Then series un upon un plus 1 is less than 1, then series is convergent. Un upon un plus 1 is greater than 1, then series is divergent. Understand these, student? Limit n tending to infinity, un plus 1 upon un is 1, then test is fail. Then test is fail. Rabi's test. Rabi's test. Limit n tending to infinity, n upon n in bracket un upon un plus 1 minus 1 is greater than 1, then series convergent. Less than 1, then series divergent is equal to 1, then test is fail. Logarithmic series. Limit n tending logarithmic test. Limit n tending to infinity, n log un upon un plus 1 is greater than 1, then convergent. Less than 1, then divergent is equal to 1, then test fail. Cauchy root test. Cauchy root test. Limit n tending to un upon un to the power 1 by n less than 1 is convergent, greater than 1 divergent, n is equal to 1, then test is fail. Cauchy integral test. Fn is equal to Sn. If 1 to infinity fx dx finite, then convergent, infinite, then divergent. Some important questions. Test for convergent series. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square, 1 plus 1 upon 2 to the power 3 dash dash up to infinity. Sn is equal to sum of 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square up to 1 upon 2 to the power n. This is the geometric progression. The formula for the sum of the geometric progression is Sn is equal to a 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r. Sn is equal to a into 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power n upon 1 minus 1 by 2. We simplify and see that this we get limit n tending to infinity Sn is equal to limit n tending to infinity Sn is equal to limit n tending to infinity. We get the 2. This is finite quantity, that's why series is convergent. Show that the series 1 upon 1 into 2, 1 upon 2 into 3, 1 upon 3 into 4, 1 upon n into n plus 1 is convergent. Sn is equal to this. We know this. We convert this series into this form: 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, 1 by n minus 1 upon n plus 1. Sn is equal to 1 minus 1 upon n plus 1. Limit n tending to infinity. Limit n tending to infinity. Sn is equal to limit n tending to infinity Sn is equal to 1 finite quantity. So series is convergent. Test for the convergent. 1 upon 1 into 2 into 3, 3 upon 3, 2 into 3 into 4, 5 upon 3 into 4 into 5. General term we see that 2n minus 1 divided by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Vn is the lowest term of the numerator divided by denominator highest term of the denominator. Lowest term of the numerator divided by lowest term of the denominator. So we see n from the numerator of this and n cube. From here we see n upon n cube, that is 1 upon n square. This is the value of un. Limit n tending to infinity un upon vn. 2n minus 1 upon n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. 1 upon n square. Limit n tending to infinity. We see that by simplifying we get to this is the finite quantity. That's why by this comparison test un is equal to un is then by comparison test un is equal to 1 upon n square 1 upon n to the power p. Here we see p is equal to 2. P is equal to 2 greater than 1. Hence by comparison test the given series is convergent. Test for convergent the following series summation under root n summation n cube plus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3 minus n. This is the un for this question, and we see taking n cube common we get n outside, and we get n outside, and taking n common we see this form. After that if we apply binomial theorem we get this. Simplifying this we get this term, and after simplifying we see here vn the 1 upon n square, this term. P is equal to 2 greater than 1. Hence by the comparison test the series is convergent. Is this series is convergent or divergent? We have this series un is equal to n plus 1 divided by n cube x to the power, and un plus 1 is this. Putting n is equal to n plus 1 by un plus 1 upon un we get this, and limit n tending to infinity un plus 1 upon un we get x. By ratio test, if x is less than 1 then series is convergent. If x is greater than 1 series divergent. For x is equal to 1 test is failed. For x is equal to 1 vn is equal to n upon n cube 1 upon n square by p series test. P is equal to 2. P is equal to 2. Hence by comparison test the given series alternating series. The series u1 minus u2 plus u3 minus u4 is called alternating series, denoted by minus 1 to the power n minus 1 un with summation. Leibniz test for the convergent. Each term is numerically less than the preceding term. Limit n tending to infinity un is equal to 0. Then the series summation minus 1 to the power n minus 1 un is convergent. Test for the convergent series 1 minus 1 upon factorial 1 plus 1 upon factorial 2. This we see that the term of the series is alternating positive and negative. Each term is numerically less than the preceding term. Un is equal to 1 upon n factorial. Limit n tending to infinity un is equal to 0. Hence by Leibniz test the series is convergent. Test convergent. Log 2 upon 2 square minus log 3 upon 3 square plus log 4 upon 4 square. This we see the alternating series. Each term is less than its preceding term and alternating plus minus sign. By this we see un is equal to this, and limit n tending to infinity, limit n tending to infinity log n upon n square. this is the un. This is infinite upon infinite form. So by L'Hopital rule we see limit n tends to infinity. Differentiation of numerator upon differentiation of denominator, we see this is the 0. Hence by the Leibniz test we given series is convergent, absolutely convergent. A series summation un which contain both positive and negative term is called absolutely convergent if series summation mod of un is convergent, then this is called absolutely convergent. For conditional convergent we see series summation un which contain both positive and negative term is called conditional convergent if the series summation mod of un is divergent, then this is called conditional convergence.